Så kører vi. Okay, sæt i galop. Hep, hep. Kom nu. Hep, hep, galop. Galop, galop. Ja. Win this race. Ah. Straight. Ret frem, ja. Bare kør på. Bare kør på. So, the ghost of King Leopold is looking at us. There is a good book about King Leopold, but called The Ghost of King Leopold, about what he did in Africa. Yep. Yeah. He had a kitchen, he had a bathroom, and he had a pavilion upstairs which is now full of pigeons. And the roof is leaking. And the King of Belgium doesn't care. Maybe he does, but he can't do anything. It's the Flemish government who is in charge. Okay, we quit.